Hello, friends. Are you dreaming of creating wealth by investing your hard earned money in the right place? But the complexities and the risk of the stock market scare you. Then this video is for you. I am going to share how you can create a strong and safe investment strategy by dedicating just 1 hour a week. And the best part, I am hosting a special webinar where I will explain everything in Hindi. Plus, I will reveal the three major mistakes I made when I started investing in the stock market. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Friends, when it comes to investing, many people get overwhelmed. What if I lose my money? This is the biggest question. And second is which stock should I buy? There are more than 5,000 companies. So which stock should I buy? And another question is when to buy, when to add more, and the crucial question is when to sell. And one more question, that is how much should I invest? If you don't know answer to this question, don't worry. That is exactly why I have designed a special webinar for you. In this webinar, you will learn the basics of the stock market, how to become financial independent, how to I will share my journey of achieving financial independence. And third is the proven wealth creation strategy. And fourth, how to create diversified winning portfolio. And most important, live Q&A session. Get answer to all your question in real time. And the best part, this webinar will be conducted in simple, easy to understand language, that is Hindi, so that you can follow along without any hesitation. Mark the date, 12th January 2025, time 11 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. If you truly want to overcome the complexities of investing and take the first step toward a secure future, don't miss this opportunity. So, friends, to be a part of this webinar, register right now. The link is available in the description and the comment box below. These 90 minutes have the potential to change your life. So, what are you waiting for? Click on the link now and take a step towards transforming your financial future. Remember, investing is not hard when you have the right knowledge and strategy. So, see you at the webinar where we will take your first step towards smart investing together. And yes, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to the channel. I will meet you on 12th January at 11 a.m. Until then, stay happy, invest wisely, and build wealth wisely. Thank you so much.